Mũrurumo wa kwandĩkithia arĩmi bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ũhũrĩtwo cabi na kaunti-inĩ ya Laikipia mĩhang'o ĩrĩa igatirihwo tariki 14 mweri ũyũ. Macibũ na anini ao kaunti-inĩ ĩyo ya Laikipia nĩ marĩkĩtie gũthomithio ũrĩa megũtabania wandĩkithia ũcio.
Kwa wakati huu tuna train chiefs na sub chiefs ndio watakuwa wanafanya hii exercise, na of course watasaidiwa na village elders kufanya either door to door registration ama wawe wanaenda kwa mahali kuna barazas na any forum yote ambayo itakuwepo. Tunawaambia wengine waone hata kama ni kwa makanisa, wakati watu wametoka kwa kanisa waweze kuisajili.
The agriculture officers who are doing it, but now it is more detailed because with the help of the chiefs and sub chiefs, it will be done very well. We want to verify the actual farmers that we have.
Kaunti-inĩ ĩno thirikari ĩtanyĩte kwandĩkithia arĩmi maratemera 100,000 arĩmi 20,000 marĩ gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Laikipia ya irathĩro.
Unajua farmer kulingana na agriculture officers wanasema farmer ni ule analima either umekondisha ama umeown the land. Kwa hivyo hata wale ambao wana lease na walime hao ni wakulima.
This time we don't require a title. You just need to come with your ID and know the acreage of the farm you are doing and the 3 main crops that you are going to farm. And mostly in Laikipia East, if I can mention, most of the main crops that we do maize, we also do wheat in some areas and potatoes. And even some areas they do horticulture. So if you are one of those who are doing real farming, crop farming, because the livestock and other issues on fisheries will be done later. This is a special registration for the crop farmer.
Itanya rĩa wandĩkithio ũyũ nĩ thirikari ĩmenye itari rĩa arĩmi bũrũri-inĩ na kũrĩa gũkuhĩ nao makamũkĩra bataraitha ya thogora wa thĩ nĩguo mahote kũrĩma kũhũnia bũrũri.
So you should know where you come from and the name of sub chief and the name of your village elder, the name of your chief and even administrator, ward administrator. So because you'll just get the fertilizer just next door. So it is very important that we register as farmers this time loud.
Riboti ya Harun Njoroge wa Maina nĩ gũtũhe kamweke ga kũhũmũka o ndagĩka nini tu tũracokereria na mangĩ maingĩ.